Are you a student and wondering how to get your dream job after college? Getting work experience in college can help students land a good job after graduation. One way for students to gain that experience is to participate in internships or cooperative education programs, co-ops, which can include paid full-time jobs that typically last 3 to 12 months. So in this video, we are going to give you a guide on best universities for internship or co-ops in USA. The video is going to be amazing. Make sure to stick till the end. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 20. Denison University. Denison University partners with organizations in Cleveland, Denver, and abroad to offer student internship programs that include some level of funding. Additionally, as part of the Denison Internship Program, students with low-paying or unpaid internships can apply for a stipend, the amount of which varies depending on need. Number 19. Clemson University. At Clemson University, students will find both internship and co-op programs to help launch their careers for a fee of $6,300 to $8,100. The school also offers 8-week international internships in Ireland, Portugal, and Spain, according to its website. Placements are available in a variety of fields, such as business, education, engineering, hospitality, law, and zoology. Number 18. Bentley University. Bentley University's higher education programs help students build their career development skills every year. Starting freshman year, students have the option to take career development seminars, join career communities that connect students with professionals, students, and faculty, and participate in other career-oriented events. Number 17. Carnegie Mellon University. Carnegie Mellon University offers a variety of internship programs and fellowships, including a semester in Washington, D.C. The school's website also states that a summer internship fund helps students who take low-wage or unpaid internships in the U.S. pay for their expenses. This is a great opportunity for students to gain valuable work experience and network with professionals in their field. The internship fund can help to offset the cost of living and transportation, making it more affordable for students to participate in these programs. Number 16. Bucknell University. Bucknell University offers a variety of internships, including a program on Capitol Hill in Washington, D.C., while students can earn credit for unpaid internships. Paid opportunities are typically not credit-bearing, per the university website. Some scholarships are available for students with full-time, unpaid summer internships in the nonprofit and public service sectors. Number 15. Worcester Polytechnic Institute. WPI. Students have the opportunity to participate in internships and paid, non-credit co-ops lasting 4 to 8 months. The school's project-based learning plan also allows students to get hands-on experience in the classroom through required projects aimed at solving real-world problems. Number 14. Stanford University. Stanford boasts a wide range of internship programs, including placements in New York City and abroad. Other opportunities focus on art, career education, community engagement, public service, and laboratory research. Number 13. Rochester Institute of Technology. Most undergraduate programs at RIT require students to complete co-ops or paid internships for at least 35 hours per week. According to the school's website, more than 4,500 students participate in co-ops each year. Unlike some colleges, participation in co-ops at RIT is tuition-free. Number 12. Endicott College. All students are required to complete 3 internships during their 4-year program at Endicott College, including 2 120-hour internships and 1 full-time, semester-long internship. Students complete an internship preparation course during their first semester. Number 11. Agnes College. At Agnes College, the goal is for most students to have at least 1 internship before graduating. The college also makes funding available to students who intern in unpaid or minimally paid public service or public health roles. Number 10. Cornell University. Cornell University has a variety of summer programs to help students build experiences in their desired career fields. These include Cornell in Hollywood, a program that provides film-related internships in Los Angeles, and summer research programs that give undergraduates an opportunity to participate in graduate-level research. Number 9. Elon University. All students at Elon University are required to complete an experiential learning experience in order to graduate. This requirement can be fulfilled through a variety of activities, such as internships, co-ops, studying abroad, independent research, service learning projects, or a mentored leadership position. According to the university's website, internships are the most popular option among students, followed by service and study abroad. Number 8. Purdue University. Students who participate in Purdue University's 3 to 5 session co-op program must work with the same employer for all sessions. The goal is to allow students to build relationships with their employer, work on more projects, and increase responsibilities, according to the university's website. Number 7. Massachusetts Institute of Technology. MIT provides a variety of internship programs for students. One such program, the MIT International Science and Technology Initiatives, matches over 900 undergraduate and graduate students with paid internship, teaching, and research positions all over the world. Number 6. Georgia Institute of Technology. Georgia Tech offers an optional 5-year cooperative education program in which students alternate semesters between working full-time and taking classes until their junior year. Students in the optional co-op program should expect to work at least 3 semesters. According to the university's website, Georgia Tech's voluntary co-op program is the largest in the United States. In a course taught by Emily Klein, a professor in the Division of Earth and Ocean Sciences in the Nicholas School of the Environment, undergraduates are working to develop a human-powered device that can be used to clean up polluted waters. Number 5. Duke University. At Duke University, internship requirements vary by program, according to the school's website. But public policy and art history are among the majors that require internships. For eligible students in unpaid or low-paying, less than $1,500 summer internships, the university makes $4,000 available in competitive grant funding to support living expenses. Number 4. University of Cincinnati. Students majoring in engineering, design, architecture, art, planning, or information technology at the University of Cincinnati are required to participate in the co-op program. Students typically complete 3 to 5 semesters of co-ops before graduating. The co-op program is also open to students in some other majors. Students who are unable to participate in the 100-year-old program may complete internships or participate in other international or national service learning programs. Number 3. Berea College. Through the school's labor program, which dates back to 1859, all Berea College students are required to work at least 10 hours a week in approved jobs on campus or in the community, while maintaining a full academic course load. Participation in the Berea labor program allows students to attend the college tuition-free. In addition to on-campus work, students are able to pursue other active learning experiences, such as internships and service. Number 2. Drexel University. Depending on their major, Drexel University students may have to complete 1 to 3 co-ops before graduation. The co-ops are full-time jobs, generally lasting 6 months, alternating with 6 months of academic study. Depending on whether they are on the 4 or 5-year track, students typically start their co-ops during sophomore or junior year after taking preparation courses. Number 1. Northeastern University. Northeastern University co-op students are required to take a preparation course to learn resume writing, interviewing skills, workplace etiquette, and other topics. Before participating in their first co-op, which takes place the 2nd semester of sophomore year or the summer after, students must meet with their co-op coordinator. While co-op participation is not required, most students do take part. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.